Hello everyone, I'm Emmanuel Ahunga, participant of an online course, Turn Down the Heat, From Climate Science to Action, organized by the World Bank Group. Let me share some ideas with you concerning the impacts of climate change, especially in Ghana. The problem of climate change has engaged the attention of climate scientists and world leaders since the 1880s. Scientific research provides that climate change is resulting in global temperature rise, warming of oceans, rise in sea levels, ocean acidification, shrinking of ice sheets, decrease in snow cover, intense rainfall and storms in some parts of the world. Impacts of climate change on key sectors like agriculture, water resources, ecosystems, and human health have been projected by the scientists. Observations and interviews done in Ghana provide evidence that our climate is changing. Heavy rains with storms and flooding, rising temperatures, drought and sea erosions are now frequent. The flood and fire outbreak that claimed 153 lives in the city of Accra on the 3rd June last year is a climate-related issue. Such impacts affect the citizens of the country directly and indirectly. I recommend action to be taken to combat the impacts of climate change in Ghana from the perspective of a policymaker and a resident. As a policymaker, the following measures can be taken. Summarize the policy document in Ghana on climate change for use by students and the general public. Encourage the formation of clubs on climate change in basic and high schools. Organize planting of trees. Enforce the laws and bylaws on the construction of houses and other infrastructure. Educate the public on the disposal of waste, preservation of the environment. Improper use of land and water resources should be monitored and prevented. Involve sanitary officers in the enforcement of laws and bylaws on the environment. From the standpoint of an active and concerned citizen, the following are relevant. Engage formation of clubs on climate change in basic and high schools. Educate the general public on the change of attitude to the environment. And clean up campaign through radio talk shows. Organize planting of trees. Climate change is a global affair. Whether you, as a policymaker or an ordinary citizen, we all need to take action to mitigate and adapt to climate change. Let us all, in our different ways and together, win the war against climate change. Let us act now.